Hey everybody, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back, and I'm coming to you from Hong Kong. If you are an importer or have an Amazon business, then in this video, guys, I'm going to reveal one really good strategy for you meeting a ton of suppliers really fast and really easy. So how do you find reputable suppliers really fast? So in this video, I'm going to reveal this one strategy, and you'll be glad that you learned this strategy from me. So let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. So Alex Ryan here. I'm coming to you from beautiful Hong Kong, and I've actually just meeting a few people here, a couple of clients actually, and potentially a few suppliers, but more importantly, I'm actually here for a trade show. Now, believe it or not, Hong Kong, there is a ton of trade shows. There's actually a company called HKTDC, standing for the Hong Kong Trade and Development Council. It's a really big business. It's a really good website to go to as well, but they just deal exclusively in Hong Kong items, and there's a lot of trade shows here. What I would recommend you do is I would recommend don't just go to the Canton Fair, go to the Hong Kong. The Hong Kong have fairs roughly around the same time as the Canton Fair, or the China Import-Export Fair in Guangzhou. What I normally do when I go to the fair, I normally fly into Hong Kong anyway and catch the fast train, which is only an hour or two. So check it out, guys. Hong Kong has a lot to offer, but there's a lot of really good fairs here as well. And a lot of the mainland people come to the Hong Kong Trade and Development Council fairs and trade shows as well. So this is a really good way of meeting some good suppliers. So come here. All right, guys, that's it for me. If you have a friend, a loved one, or a colleague looking to start an import-export business, maybe start importing from China or start an Amazon business, then check it out. Check out my comment below, share this video. I would muchly appreciate it. And happy Amazon business. I wish you the best in your Amazon business, and happy importing. Have yourself a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you real soon. See you later.